Bitcoin trades near $29.5 thousand, Ether stays below $1,900. India wants to use crypto tokens to digitally sign documents. France steps closer to implementing MiCA for crypto firms. Y00TS NFT collection is migrating to Ethereum after accepting $3 million grant from Polygon. SEC will appeal XRP ruling in case against Ripple, regulator says. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as market participants stayed cautious ahead of the US CPI data scheduled to be announced later in the day. Bitcoin dropped below the $29,500 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 38,870 points. Cryptocurrencies felt the pressure from the US Securities Exchange Commission preparing to file an appeal in the Ripple case, and another multi-chain project hit by the exploit has, for the dislikes of investors, placed renewed uncertainty on the table. Moving on, Coinbase, the largest US crypto exchange, has officially launched its new Base blockchain, becoming the first publicly listed company to offer its own distributed networks. Moreover, according to data from L2Beat, Base blockchain's total value locked soared 72% in the past week. However, Base currently holds $147 million in collateral and ranks 5th in the Layer 2 ecosystem. Going forward, US-established blockchain firm Ripple recently showed its interest in collaborating with Hong Kong's flourishing ecosystem, including its developers and blockchain investments. Additionally, according to reports, Ripple XRP recorded over 1.2 million daily transactions since the beginning of August. As per on-chain data from Messari, Solana has outperformed other chains and has witnessed massive growth recently in terms of its total value locked, with a gain of 14% over the course of the previous month. Aptos, the cryptocurrency powering Layer 1 blockchain Aptos network, is up approximately 11.6% since announcing that it will leverage Microsoft's suite of artificial intelligence tools to advance Web3 adoption among banks and financial enterprises. This will enable the Aptos network to access Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service to investigate advances in asset tokenization, on-chain payments, and central bank digital currencies. Decentralized trading protocol Uniswap has been deployed on Base, the new Ethereum Layer 2 built by US crypto giant Coinbase. Base is powered by the blockchain scaling solution Optimism, and its testnet first launched in February of this year. In an interesting news, MakerDAO, a peer-to-peer decentralized organization on Ethereum blockchain, has recently introduced a feature for creating a new governance token for the Spark lending protocol. Spark protocol is a lending protocol introduced by MakerDAO, which provides DeFi loans using Maker as a direct source of liquidity. US stock futures rose. Investors looked ahead to a key inflation reading, which could impact the Federal Reserve's next rate move. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 192 points. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.6% and 0.7% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $29,523, down 1.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.6%, trading at $1,849. BNB was down by 1.1% to trade at $241. Solana SOL was down 2% and was trading at $24.5. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.4% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, lower 1.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.2% to trade at $0.69. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.1% at $0.075. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.63, down by 2.2%. Polkadot was down by 1% to trade at $5.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology wants to give users the ability to use crypto tokens to digitally sign documents in a new indigenous web browser, it revealed on Wednesday. The development assumes significance because India has not yet brought forward any legislation in Parliament for Web3 or cryptocurrency, even if it has pushed for global rules for crypto as G20 president. India's central bank has opposed legalizing cryptocurrency and, at the same time, promoted its central bank digital currency. The browser envisions the ability to digitally sign documents using a crypto token, bolstering secure transactions and digital interactions. The announcement said as part of the launch of the Indian Web Browser Development Challenge, an open competition to create an indigenous web browser with its own trust store, cutting-edge functionalities, and enhanced security and data privacy protection features. Among the desired features in the browser, the government has stated the requirement of support for Web3. The total prize money allocated is around $400,000 and the deadline to submit the product is July 1, 2024. France has amended its registration requirements for crypto firms to better align with the European Union's new regulations for the sector, the country's financial regulator AMF announced on Thursday. Countries in the EU are preparing to implement the recently finalized markets in crypto assets regulation for digital assets and firms looking to serve the single market, set to take effect in the next 12 to 18 months. France, which already has a comprehensive licensing regime for crypto firms, pending some changes to comply with MiCA, has been courting companies to register in the country. The enhanced registration requirements are set to take effect from Jan 1, 2024 and will be mandatory for new players looking to provide any regulated services, the AMF said. Y00TS, a non-fungible token collection that was once among the top projects on Solana, has announced that it will be migrating away from Polygon and would return the $3 million grant it received from the Ethereum Layer 2 earlier this year. Instead, Y00TS said it planned to migrate to Ethereum in order to unite the DGods and Y00TS communities. DGods, another project created by Los Angeles-based startup D-Labs, migrated to Ethereum in the month of April. Y00TS said that the date of the migration would be announced shortly. DGods also announced the upcoming release of a Season 3 collection in tandem with the migration news. Y00TS completed its migration to Polygon earlier this year and planned to use the grant money to fund its team expansion and continue to grow its project. Polygon said it plans to redeploy $1 million of the refunded grant to empower its native network of builders and creators. The US Securities and Exchange Commission will file an interlocutory appeal of a judge's ruling on Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP, the regulator said in a court filing on Wednesday. The SEC said it was seeking leave to appeal part of a recent decision while other parts of the SEC's case proceed to trial. The regulator said approval of an interlocutory appeal could prevent the SEC and government from needing two trials. A federal judge ruled last month that while Ripple's direct sales of XRP to institutional investors violated securities law, its programmatic sales to retail investors through exchanges did not. Judge Annalisa Torres of the U.S. Southern District Court had tentatively scheduled a trial on other issues that she did not rule on during the motions for judgment for the second quarter of 2024. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Rollbit's revenue crossed over $2 million in the past 24 hours across various services, data shows. This means a significant amount after costs will use to fund RLB purchases daily. RLB was trading at $0.15 with a market capitalization of $516 million. Crypto casino and exchange Rollbit said it would buy and burn its RLB tokens daily based on platform revenue in a move that sent prices surging over 63%. Rollbit allows users to trade tokens using 1000x leverage and offers sports betting and arcade games as well as a tokenized chatbot. Platform data shows over $2.5 billion worth of crypto futures were traded on Rollbit in the past 24 hours alone. Market observers believe Rollbit has recorded one of the fastest growth among crypto protocols this year due to a strong market fit and a generally well-received product among gamblers and traders. Crypto games and similar offerings have driven users to the product despite a general bear market. Next on the list we have SushiSwap. Automated market maker SushiSwap, a popular DeFi platform, has announced plans to join forces with the emerging core blockchain protocol. This new partnership is expected to open up various financial services to users, strengthening the functionality of both entities. SushiSwap was trading at $0.7 with a market capitalization of $164 million. The collaborative initiative aims to magnify the reach of both platforms. Developers working on Core will now have the ability to utilize SushiSwap's liquidity pools, cross-chain swaps, and its decentralized exchange aggregator, making the development of decentralized applications easier and more efficient. For SushiSwap, the additional liquidity that will come from its integration with Core will amplify the efficiency of other DeFi protocols on the Core network. This advancement showcases an opportunity for enhanced functionality within Core's system, which operates on a unique consensus mechanism known as Satoshi Plus. Next on the list, we have decentralized trading protocol Uniswap has been deployed on Base, the new Ethereum Layer 2 built by a US crypto giant Coinbase. Base is powered by the blockchain scaling solution Optimism, and its testnet first launched in February of this year. Uniswap is trading at $6.32, up near 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 billion. Announcing the launch of Base support on X, Uniswap Labs says that users can now execute swaps or add liquidity directly on the Base chain from the Uniswap web app. Next on the list, we have PancakeSwap. Automated market maker PancakeSwap has gone live on Ethereum scaling network Arbitrum, in line with the broader plans to expand its user base and build revenue, developer Chef Cocoa shared. PancakeSwap was trading at $1.50 with a market capitalization of $316 million. PancakeSwap processes trading, lending, and lottery services for users using smart contracts, much like all DEXs do. It was already present on the blockchains of BNB Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, ZK EVM, ZK Sync, and Aptos. According to DeFi Llama data, the DEX had approximately $1.54 billion worth of tokens as of Wednesday. Users of PancakeSwap will benefit from lower costs and quicker transactions thanks to the deployment on Arbitrum. Currently, users can trade with fees as little as 0.01%, which is among the lowest for DEXs. One of the most well-known Layer 2 networks, Arbitrum, locks tokens valued over $2 billion. Last on the list, we have Aptos, the currency powering Layer 1 blockchain Aptos network is up approximately 11.6% since announcing it will leverage Microsoft's suite of artificial intelligence tools to advance Web3 adoption among banks and financial enterprises. Aptos was trading at $7.30, up near 9% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. According to a statement released by Aptos on August 9th, this will be accomplished by enabling the Aptos network to access Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service to investigate advances in asset tokenization, on-chain payments, and central bank digital currencies. Aptos Assistant, a ChatGPT-powered chatbot, is one of the new solutions that aims to assist consumers in moving from Web 2 to Web 3 by providing virtual assistance with the onboarding process. According to the cryptocurrency company, Microsoft will also increase the security of the Aptos network by allowing Aptos Labs to run validator nodes on Azure.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.